What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today is the update video on Ford, ticker symbol F. As you can see by the chart, it has went steadily down the past 2 weeks with the rest of the market due to the coronavirus / COVID-19. Today, we're going to look at the dividend yield that has risen to over 9%. So let's get into it. Okay, before we jump over to the news and then into the charts, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. And also, please hit that like button because it helps out immensely getting my information out to more people. And also, if you would like to be alerted by future videos, smash that bell. So without further ado, we're going to jump into the news. On March 3rd, an article published stated that Ford will release an all-electric version of its popular transit cargo van as early as next year. The US-built van is part of the automaker's previously announced plan to spend $11.5 billion on vehicle electrification through 2022. That's big for Ford. I mean, they are still way behind Tesla when it comes to EVs, but you got to start somewhere. The article continues saying Ford is moving to retain its leadership in the commercial van space as new competitors such as Rivian, a Michigan-based EV startup, prepare to enter the segment. So if you know anything about Ford, Ford has actually partnered and invested in Rivian to make luxury EV electric vehicles. On that same note, Amazon has partnered with Rivian to provide, I want to say 100,000 electric vehicles. I think they're talking about cargo vans. So they're definitely going to be in competition with Ford when it comes to the cargo van sector. But at the same time, Ford has led that sector for 41 years. So it's going to be a lot of competition, especially as we trend further and further towards electric vehicles. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into the chart and just see, has Ford stock bottomed or hasn't it? Has the market bottomed or is there still more room to go down? So let's get in the chart. Okay, here we are in the Thinkorswim platform. And before we get really started in this, if you have TD Ameritrade, you can already access the Thinkorswim platform. All you have to do is download the software onto your computer or your smartphone, and you'll be able to use the Thinkorswim platform. If you don't have TD Ameritrade, all you have to do is open up an account. Once it's completely opened, you'll be able to download the Thinkorswim platform. Awesome charting platform. You can do all your trades in this platform. You can do everything in this platform. So here we are on the 1-year chart. As you can see, all of our trend lines are still here. And the last video, we were right here. We had went down and hit $8 and we're kind of bouncing. I said it was probably going to go down to about 8, maybe a little lower, but this was some support right here until the coronavirus made the market sick. And as you can see, boom, everything dropped. Everything has gone down. Ford hit a 52-week low of $6.40 on Friday. This video is being recorded on the weekend, so the markets haven't opened up yet. But on Monday, I believe there's a possible rally. I'm going to put a card up in the top right-hand corner. I did a video on the S&P 500, the index, and I went over that talking about a possible rally, and there was some things I noticed with the coronavirus. If you watch that video, it goes into detail about all the numbers and everything with it and how some of the countries are looking. I think it's not going to be as bad as what we think. So, but go check that video out. But anyway, Ford hit a $6.40 low, 52-week low on Friday. We're going to zoom in a little bit. It closed Friday at $6.49. So, and that was because the market roared back in the last hour of the day. But as far as how low this stock can go is going to be dependent on what the market does, how the market digests these fears with the coronavirus. So I can't call a low. I can't really say this is going back up. All I can say is there's a possible rally coming this week. So as you can see, this stock has went down with the market. And the current dividend yield on Ford is over 9%. We're not going to jump into FinViz today. We'll save that for another day, but just take my word for it. The dividend yield is over 9%. So that means that this stock has dropped tremendously along with everything else. I believe last week I got more alerts with 52-week low, 52-week low, 52-week. It was crazy. And I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen violent swings in the market like I did last week. And I've seen where people that have watched the market for 30 or 40 years have never seen this. So you're watching history in the making. So with that note, I'm going to conclude this video. If you like the video, you like the content, subscribe. Please hit that like button. It helps out tremendously with the algorithm, gets my information out to more people. And also, if you'd like to get updates or notifications when I post a new video, smash that bell. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.